Have you ever noticed how old Japanese cars somehow keep running forever? You'll see a 20-year-old Toyota with faded paint, one missing hubcap, and an owner who swears it still drives like new. Meanwhile, some modern cars start acting dramatic after 80,000 miles like they've completed military service. So, what's the secret? Is it magic? Is it engineering? Or did Japanese mechanics unlock some hidden automotive cheat code the rest of the world ignored? The truth is actually much simpler. Today on Check Engine Delight, we're exposing the 9 Japanese methods that help engines survive beyond 300,000 miles while still feeling smooth and reliable. So hit subscribe right now before your engine starts making noises that sound like a washing machine full of metal spoons during a thunderstorm at midnight. Method 6. Change engine oil before it looks dirty. One of the biggest Japanese maintenance habits is changing engine oil before it becomes visibly bad. Most people wait until the oil looks dark, thick, or overdue because modern marketing convinced everyone that oil lasts forever now. But inside the engine, damage starts long before the oil looks terrible. As oil breaks down, it loses its ability to lubricate properly, cool internal components, and clean harmful contaminants. That creates friction, heat, and sludge buildup that slowly wears down the engine over time. Japanese owners often replace oil earlier than the maximum interval because they understand that fresh oil keeps piston rings cleaner, reduces wear during cold starts, and helps engines stay smoother for much longer. Studies show most engine wear happens during startup when lubrication is weakest. Clean oil minimizes that damage significantly, and honestly, you can usually feel the difference immediately after an oil change. The engine becomes quieter, smoother, and more responsive. It's basically the automotive version of finally drinking water after surviving entirely on energy drinks for 3 days. Your engine suddenly remembers what healthy feels like again, and that small maintenance habit can dramatically increase long-term reliability without costing a fortune over many years of ownership. Method 5. Use PEA fuel cleaner to remove carbon buildup. Carbon buildup is one of the biggest hidden reasons engines start feeling weak, rough, and unresponsive over time. Inside high-mileage engines, carbon slowly forms on intake valves, injectors, pistons, and combustion chambers. That buildup disrupts airflow and combustion efficiency, making the engine work harder while producing less power. Japanese mechanics often use high-quality PEA fuel cleaners because PEA, or polyether-amine, survives extreme combustion temperatures and actively breaks down hardened carbon deposits inside the engine. Unlike cheap fuel additives that mostly disappear before doing anything useful, PEA cleaners actually clean critical internal areas properly. Studies from automotive testing facilities show that a single professional-grade treatment can significantly restore fuel atomization and combustion efficiency. The process itself is simple. Wait until your fuel tank is nearly empty, pour in the cleaner, then fill the tank completely so it mixes properly. After driving normally for several days, many drivers notice smoother acceleration, quieter operation, and improved throttle response. It's honestly one of the easiest ways to refresh an aging engine without expensive repairs. Think of it like clearing clogged arteries, except your car won't suddenly start doing yoga afterward and posting motivational quotes on social media about healthy lifestyles every morning online. Method 4. Clean the MAF sensor for instant engine response. Modern engines rely heavily on sensors, and one of the most important is the MAF sensor, also known as the mass airflow sensor. This tiny component measures how much air enters the engine so the computer can calculate the correct fuel mixture. But over time, dust, oil vapor, and microscopic debris coat the sensor, causing inaccurate readings. Even small errors in airflow calculations can reduce throttle response, increase fuel consumption, and make the engine run rougher than normal. Japanese mechanics treat sensor maintenance very seriously because they understand that modern engines depend completely on accurate data. Cleaning the MAF sensor is surprisingly simple. Disconnect the sensor carefully, spray it with dedicated MAF cleaner, and let it dry completely before reinstalling it. Never touch the delicate sensor wires directly because they damage easily. Once cleaned, the engine computer receives more accurate airflow information again, allowing fuel delivery and ignition timing to operate properly. Drivers often notice immediate improvements in acceleration smoothness and idle stability afterward. It's honestly one of those tiny maintenance tricks that feels suspiciously effective considering how little time it takes. Your engine suddenly reacts faster, smoother, and more naturally, almost like it remembered how to breathe properly again. after surviving allergy season for several miserable months straight, nonstop daily. Method 3. Replace the air filter before it becomes a problem. Your engine cannot make proper power without clean airflow, yet many drivers completely ignore the air filter until it becomes unbelievably dirty. Japanese mechanics inspect air filters constantly because restricted airflow forces the engine to work harder and consume more fuel. A clogged air filter reduces acceleration, hurts efficiency, and makes the engine feel sluggish. In dusty areas or heavy traffic environments, filters become dirty much faster than people expect. Thankfully, replacing one is extremely simple. Open the airbox. Remove the old filter and hold it toward the light. If barely any light passes through, it's time for replacement. Most air filter changes take less than 10 minutes, but can noticeably improve throttle response and fuel economy. The funny thing is how small this part actually looks, compared to how dramatically it affects engine behavior. It's basically the automotive equivalent of trying to sprint while breathing through a pillow. Your engine wants air desperately, and the filter decides whether it gets fresh oxygen or struggles like someone climbing stairs after eating an entire pizza alone at midnight. Japanese owners understand that keeping airflow clean protects the engine long-term and helps maintain performance consistency even after hundreds of thousands of miles without unnecessary stress or expensive repairs later during long-term ownership. If you're learning something useful today, hit subscribe because the next methods become even more important for protecting modern engines from expensive failures. Method 2. Keep tire pressure correct at all times. This next Japanese habit sounds surprisingly simple, but it directly affects how your engine performs every single day. Tire pressure. Most drivers completely underestimate how much underinflated tires increase rolling resistance and force the engine to work harder. Even slightly low pressure creates additional strain on the drivetrain, reduces acceleration, and hurts fuel economy. Studies show that severely underinflated tires can reduce efficiency by up to 5%. Japanese drivers are extremely consistent about checking tire pressure because they understand that a properly rolling car reduces stress on the engine and transmission. Always check tire pressure when the tires are cold and compare the readings with the recommended PSI listed inside the driver's door. This takes only a few minutes but improves efficiency, handling, and engine responsiveness immediately. And honestly, it's one of those maintenance habits people ignore until their car starts feeling strangely heavy and unresponsive for no obvious reason. Your engine is basically working overtime because the tires decided to become soft marshmallows overnight. Keeping proper pressure also improves tire life and overall driving safety, which means this tiny habit saves money in multiple ways at once while helping the engine feel smoother and less strained during daily driving conditions throughout long-term ownership experiences everywhere consistently. Method 1. Use better fuel from trusted stations. Japanese drivers pay close attention to fuel quality because low-quality gasoline creates deposits that slowly damage engine efficiency over time. Cheap fuel can contain more contaminants and lower detergent levels, allowing carbon buildup inside injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. That buildup reduces performance, increases knocking, and makes the engine feel rougher with age. Japanese mechanics often recommend using fuel from trusted stations with proper detergent packages because consistency matters more than chasing the absolute cheapest option available. This does not necessarily mean premium fuel unless your car specifically requires it. The important thing is fuel cleanliness and additive quality. Studies show that carbon deposits can reduce engine efficiency significantly over time if poor fuel quality becomes a long-term habit. Drivers often notice smoother operation and improved throttle response simply by switching to cleaner gasoline consistently. Think of it this way: your engine processes fuel constantly, so low-quality gasoline is basically fast food for your car every single day. Eventually, the engine starts feeling unhealthy too. Better fuel keeps internal systems cleaner, improves combustion stability, and helps maintain performance much longer without expensive carbon cleaning procedures later. Think of it this way: your engine processes fuel constantly, so low-quality gasoline is basically fast food for your car every single day. Eventually, the engine starts feeling unhealthy too. If this video helped you learn something useful, hit like, subscribe to Check Engine Delight, and drop a comment below telling us which maintenance habits surprised you the most.